before starting the meditation, my life was very negative and dark, and I always saw the negative as much as I saw the positive in life, but I focused mostly on the negative. When I started meditating, slowly discarding all those negative thoughts and things that I've been inflicting on myself, where I've been hurting myself and realizing that it's not other people that's hurting me, it's me hurting myself. It's all the things that's going on in my mind that is bringing a lot of negativity towards me, and animosity and hatred and all negative emotions came up because of how my mind was. And this meditation made me realize that discarding that and cleaning my mind, it's honestly, it's been amazing. It's been freeing. It feels like I can breathe again. It feels like I'm slowly becoming the person I used to be. I can open up myself to people. I don't allow people to affect me in certain ways. I always now I focus mostly on the positive aspects in life and show gratitude on a daily basis, because it's showing gratitude shows makes life appreciative more, a little bit more appreciative. Since I moved to habit class and got rid of most of my negative mind, because a lot has changed. Like I feel like I can focus better. I'm not afraid of things anymore like I used to be. Like used to be afraid of approaching new people, speaking to people. I was shy. All those things have seem small now compared to the knowledge that I've received from since I started this meditation. A lot of the things that used to bug me and used to play on my mind, I'm now like, it happened. I can't change it. Move forward. Keep going. Keep going. There's no point in worrying about the past. There's keep moving forward. Yes.